Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video on the TrackDigits channel. Today we are reviewing the Choise.com token, aka the Cho token. We're doing this by looking at the TrackDigits data and going over all of the categories that we display on our website. So if you do want to use TrackDigits yourself, click the link down below. And for everybody that's interested in Choise.com, let's go ahead and get into that. Cho is operating on the Ethereum chain. Right now it is trading for 71 cents on the dollar, which is a 7% 24-hour increase. Looking at the upcoming releases, these are the next upcoming vesting releases. The next one is March the 7th, that is tomorrow, and it will be releasing 3 different categories. Clicking on this, we can see all of the categories that will be unlocking, which is strategic, public, and foundation. In total, that will be 11.1 million tokens, and that will have a value of 7.9 million US dollars. Interesting is that that will be a total of 41% of the circulating supply. Keep in mind, that's not the total supply, but that is the circulating supply, meaning that all of the tokens in circulation are 41% of what will hit the market right now, meaning that a lot of tokens will be going into the market, and that might be causing some sell pressure. Do keep in mind that this is not financial advice. These are all just simply indicators that I'm reading off of the TrackDigits website. In April the 7th, we will have the same pattern repeating with another 11.1 million tokens going into the market. This will increase actually when we go into summer this month, when we go into summer this year. On June the 7th, that is in 93 days from now, 9 categories will be unlocking, as the fundraising rounds will also start unlocking their tokens, meaning the seed, private, and strategic, and the first public round will have their cliff ending and start unlocking their tokens. This means that right now there will be a lot of sell pressure, but in the summer there might even just be more sell pressure than we're seeing right now. You can see that very easily in the vesting graph. Right now, we are all the way over here at the beginning of 2023, meaning that the majority of vesting is still yet to occur. We are right here, and this is in summer when the seed and private investors are starting to get their tokens, and the team members as well. They will be vesting for a long time, for several years, all the way up until 2027. Now, what does this mean for your investment decision? Well, first and foremost, it should mean that if you are thinking about investing or selling, keep it in consideration that right now, only a very small amount of the total supply is in circulation, and a lot more tokens will hit the market as time goes on. In particular, right now, because the circulating supply is so small, every vesting release will have a big impact. And in summer, a second big impact will happen when you will find that when the other fundraising rounds are going to start releasing the tokens. Also important is that marketing actually has the largest cut of the pie when it comes to tokenomics. And marketing will start vesting in, yes, that's right, summer. All right, moving down to the price movement. What we do here is quite simple. We grab the latest vesting release and we grab the price that the token had at the time. We look back 72 hours and in front 72 hours and review what was the price movement doing before and after the vesting unlock. The price is not the TG price, but it's the price of the most recent vesting unlock that we're looking at. In this case, that would be February the 7th, when the tokens unlocked, the price was 69 cents. And before the token was up and after the token was up. However, on December 7th, the opposite was true. In the beginning, the token was down, and after the vesting release happened, the token went up. Now, if you want to see the average, we can go over here to the graph. And what's very handy here is that we can see on average that in the beginning, that before the vesting release occurs, 72 hours before, the token is going to be up. When the vesting release happens, the token price will be down. After approximately 24 hours, it will reach its peak on average at about 4.22%. Meaning if you are looking to day trade, this graph can help you with indications on when normally and historically the token price was up or down after the vesting releases. Here at the Tokenomics tab, we can read the Tokenomics vesting information in more detail. We can also review the ROI. As we can see, only public 3, so there was 3 public rounds in total, and only public 3 has a price displayed, which was 2 cents, This ROI, however, was 259%, so I can only imagine how much profit seed, private, and strategic investors must be taking right now, considering that Public 3, as it is the smallest one, probably also paid the highest price, and this is probably the one who was launched on the launch pads. 25% of this was released at TGE, so these investors must be really happy as they are already vesting now, and they already had much of their tokens at TGE. So profits, profits, profits. In the future, these tokens will become trackable, so you can get updates when they are vesting. Right now, that is not yet available, but definitely make sure to follow us on Twitter and Discord to stay up to date on the latest implementations and new updates on the platform. If you do want to use TrackDigits for yourself, make sure to go to the description below and click on our link to sign up for free. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.